So in the last one there, currently the number is in integer form. Change it so that the number is able to deal with decimals. Yes, I've added in a couple of more things here, but I was going on to the next question. I didn't want to take too long. So we're going to go with float. The float data type there changes something to numbers, or to decimals. That allows us to deal with decimals. And maybe we should run that now just to make sure. Please enter your first number, 2.3, or my keyboard is letting me down, and 5.1. Okay, done. So far. Then the next question there is get the product of the numbers. So that's pretty easy there. You can say something like result or product or answer, whatever you want. I'm going to say product is equal to num1 by num2. Okay, that's fairly straightforward. And then it might say print the output to screen. And look, I don't need to, and maybe it should say in an appropriate manner. Appropriate manner. So maybe I should say this: num1 multiplied by num2 equals product. Product, of course, is the result when you multiply two numbers together. So let's do an easy one first. 5 by 10, and you get 5 multiplied by 10 is equal to 50. And maybe we should say there, instead of saying multiplied, put in an old asterisk symbol there. Let's try it again. 20 by 4 should give us 80. So 20 by 4 and gives us 80.0. Remember, if you're dealing with floating point answers, you get that. So next question is, the answer is given to 1 decimal place. Change, or the answer, no, change your answer so that you are guaranteed to get 1 decimal place. So what I mean by that is if you multiply 9.7 by 9.631, then no matter what answer you get, it'll be blah 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 point and only one thing. They're done. So have a go at that one.